Hello everyone and welcome to this Fathom Analytics review. Is this the best Google Analytics alternative? Well, let's explore Fathom Analytics to determine if it's the ideal Google Analytics alternative for you. If you value simplicity, privacy, and a lightweight analytics solution, you're in the right place. And as a bonus, we'll tell you how to get $10 credit on your first Fathom invoice. In the current online web space, understanding your website's traffic is crucial. However, traditional analytic tools like Google Analytics can be complex for some, overwhelming to users with excessive data, and raising valid privacy concerns. Fathom Analytics provides a refreshing alternative, offering a streamlined, privacy-centric approach. If you're intrigued and decide to try Fathom after this review, use the link in the description to claim your $10 credit on your first invoice. Now let's examine what makes Fathom Analytics stand out. In talking about the features, Fathom Analytics focuses on essential metrics while prioritizing user privacy by removing unnecessary clutter. Key features include a simple, intuitive dashboard. Fathom offers a clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard that presents key metrics like page views, unique visitors, and top referral sources clearly and concisely. Privacy by design. Fathom prioritizes privacy by not using cookies and not storing personal data, ensuring compliance with the GDPR and other privacy regulations. Website performance monitoring. It does track page load times, helping you identify and resolve any performance issues that could hinder user experience. Customizable email reports. Stay informed with automated email reports that deliver key metrics to your inbox at a preferred frequency. Then you have event tracking, where you get to gain deeper insights into user behavior by tracking specific events such as button clicks, form submissions, and video plays. And with the filtering and sorting feature, Fathom provides basic filtering options to analyze traffic patterns by date range, device type, and other criteria. Then you have custom domains. You have the ability to use custom domains for Fathom tracking script and uptime monitoring. Fathom ensures your website's availability with uptime monitoring that alerts you to any downtime. And now with the pricing. Fathom Analytics offers transparent, subscription-based pricing that scales your website's traffic. There are lots of options, but we're going to mention a few as you can look at more of these options based on your needs right here on the website. For example, you have the $15 per month where you get up to 100 page views, and this is ideal for small to medium-sized blogs, personal websites, and businesses with moderate traffic. If you'd like to bump it up, the $25 per month plan gives you up to 200,000 views. And if you want to go higher, the $45 per month gives you 500,000 page views. Of course, we mentioned before that the prices scale up from there depending on the monthly page view volume you need. So here's our recommendation. You have the $15 plan that often provides an excellent balance between affordability and functionality for most small to medium-sized websites. And would like to let you know about the pros and the cons so you're informed on this service. Starting with the pros, you have unwavering commitment to privacy. Fathom's privacy approach is a significant advantage, respecting user data and ensuring regulatory compliance. Simplicity. Fathom's user interface is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to understand website performance. It's fast and lightweight. Fathom's lightweight script minimizes its impact on websites' load speed, and this is important for user experience. Then you have cookie-free tracking. Fathom uses alternative tracking methods that don't compromise user privacy. And we appreciate the customer support, as Fathom is known for its responsive and helpful customer support. Then you have unlimited sites, which is a great value for those with multiple websites. And now with the cons, you have limited advanced features. Compared to Google Analytics, Fathom lacks some advanced features like granular audience segmentation and custom reporting. Then you have the pricing issue for high traffic sites. So while reasonable for most, Fathom pricing can become expensive for high traffic sites compared to the alternatives. You have less data granularity. Fathom focuses on essential metrics which might not satisfy users needing a highly detailed data analysis. In conclusion, Fathom Analytics is a compelling alternative to Google Analytics. especially for those who prioritize simplicity, privacy, and a lightweight solution. While it may not offer all the advanced features of its competitors, its straightforward approach, commitment to privacy, and focus on essential metrics makes it a worthy choice. If you want a hassle-free way to track your website's performance without compromising user privacy or getting lost in complex data, consider Fathom Analytics. And remember to use the link in the description to claim your $10 credit when you sign up. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.